Hi friends, this is Sandhya here. Welcome to my channel. My channel focuses on business analysis, business strategy, change management, business operations, startup operations, career enhancement, and much more. In today's video, I'm going to talk about career options and opportunities for business analyst. As you know, there are many flavors to the business analysis career path, and the business analyst can opt for any of the flavors depending on his or her academic as well as professional background. In this video, I have categorized various career options available to the business analyst in seven major categories. Because if I address each of the role individually, then it will become very confusing for most of you. So I have clubbed them together and created a seven different categories. Let me start with the first category. First category is a business analyst. That is a generic form. This role involves analyzing business processes, identifying areas for improvement, proposing the solutions to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness in the business operations. In this case, business analysts work across various industries and sectors. The role of business analyst will always be in demand because of the complexity, sophistication, and the pace of the business environment, and the businesses have to adapt to those changes quickly, and for that they definitely need a business analyst to manage these changes and complexity of the new initiatives. Business analysts primarily focus on the change management initiatives to improve the business operations. In this case, business analysts work very closely with the business as well as technical stakeholders to define and deliver the solution. In this category, the typical career path would be business analyst, senior business analyst, moving towards a lead business analyst, and progressing towards a program manager, senior program manager, then leading towards the portfolio manager, and eventually becoming a COO, that is a chief operating officer. Managing the existing operations to improve their productivity is one of the key responsibility of a COO. This also includes leading the change initiatives to improve the operations, managing the existing operations to improve their overall productivity, etc. Therefore, I have mentioned that the business analyst moves from a BA role towards a COO role. And these were the various options which I mentioned that business analysts need to consider or walk on that particular path before reaching towards the COO level. The second category is business process analyst in the operations. The business process analyst focus on existing workflows, optimizing the business processes to enhance efficiencies, reduce the cost, improve the quality, and also reduce the bottlenecks, and propose the improvement to streamline the overall operations. Business process analyst analyzes the current operating model and operations to improve the overall operations partially or entirely. This also includes incorporating the changes to the existing business operations due to internal needs or external needs. The internal needs could be launching a new product or introducing new policies. The external needs could be incorporating new regulations or launching or introducing the new technology, etc. The business analyst in this case recommends a solution that could be with or without IT for improving the business. The typical career path in this category could be business process analyst or a business analyst moving towards a program manager or a business operations, and then leading overall operations as a chief operating officer. The difference between the previous category and this category is the previous one is a typical business analyst and working between the business as well as the technical stakeholders. But in the later category, the person is coming from a business background, typically working in the operations. The third category is business data analyst or business intelligence analyst. Data analysis is crucial to the business analysis, and data analyst collects, processes, analyzes data to provide insights that drives the decision making within the organization. This role requires proficiency in data, analytics tools, and technique. Career path in this category is business data analyst, moving towards a lead data analyst or data information architect or head of analytics. and later moving towards a chief data architect, that is CDA, or chief data officer, that is CDO. Some of these roles may focus on IT securities, data analytics, digital transformation at the early stage of the careers. The fourth category is system analyst or IT business analyst. The system analyst analyzes organization's existing information system and recommend the change or enhancement to improve the efficiency, productivity, alignment to the business goals. As an IT business analyst, you will have to focus on bridging the gap between the business needs and IT solutions. You will have to analyze the stakeholders' requirement and translate them into technical specifications for IT team to implement. In in this category, you work closely with the IT team, and the first category, the business analyst work closely towards the business stakeholders. In a rare cases, for a business analyst, if a person comes from a technology background, he or she will have can work through many technology roles, such as in charge of IT projects, overall technology in a non-IT firm, and later become a CTO or chief technology officer. This path is suitable for a business analyst who have progressed their career path from IT business analyst towards the delivery head, and later eventually become a head of a technology operations or overall IT. The typical career path here is going to be either IT business analyst or a system analyst, moving towards a delivery head and eventually becoming as a IT director or a chief technology officer. I am not creating a separate path for agile business analyst, as they will use the same path until he or she reaches to the agile coach and later moves towards the delivery head. The fifth category is enterprise or business architect. A business analyst start a career as a business analyst and moves towards becoming a lead business analyst and heading the business analysis activities as an enterprise or a business architect in the organization. Typical career path in this category could be business analyst, lead business analyst, solution architect, the business architect or enterprise architect. This is very similar to portfolio manager who manages multiple programs within the same or different domain, or the practice head who manages multiple programs within the same domain. Practice head also establishes the standards, the processes, and the policies for a business analysis or the change management activities, such as creating the center of excellence, creating some acceptable standards across all the initiatives, etc. The sixth category is the product management. The business analyst working in a software company that is specialized in product development can become a product analyst and move towards a product manager and eventually become a product owner. The typical career path is starting as a product analyst, moving towards a product manager, and eventually becoming a product owner. One more point I would like to add is when the product is implemented at a client place, the product manager or the product owner work towards the customization, and also they work towards adding the new features and helping the client to use the product more effectively. It is not only just developing the product, but also helping the business development team help their client to adopt this product easily and effectively. The seventh category is strategy analysis. Strategy analysts work with the senior management to develop and implement a strategic plan for the organization. They conduct market research, analyze industry trends, assess competitive landscapes to inform strategic decision making processes. In this category, there is also the additional path for a business analyst is to become a management consultant in one of the leading management consulting firm such as McKinsey, KPMG, Deloitte, Business Consulting Group, etc. The typical consulting role involves improving the business operations, the organization performance, analyzing the existing processes, identifying inefficiencies, recommending the solutions. The business analyst with expertise in strategy analysis, the business process improvement, change management are well suited to this role. A typical career path for a strategy consultant in any top leading companies could be starting as a junior consultant or as an analyst, moving towards a senior consultant and become a manager and senior manager, and eventually leading as the account manager or a director and become a partner, and later as a managing partner it is equivalent to CEO of that particular consulting firm. Lastly, I would like to focus on the trends shaping the business analysis future. The several trends are shaping the future of the business analysis that includes data analytics, artificial intelligence, the agile methodologies. Data analytics enables the business analysis to derive insight from a large data sets, helping the organizations make data-driven decisions and anticipate the market trends. Artificial intelligence recognizes the business analysis by automating routine tasks, enabling the faster decision making process, improving the accuracy, etc. Agile methodologies transform how projects are managed and executed, emphasizing on flexibility, collaboration, iterative development, etc. A word of caution: business analysts do not become financial analysts unless they have a finance background. The term finance background simply refers to business analyst having CFA or MBA in finance or any similar academic background. Without this, the business analyst will have to work in this field for a substantial time to master the domain knowledge and the skill before entering into a full-fledged career in finance. Similar way, the business analyst cannot automatically become an analyst or specialist by working as a business analyst in his or her field for a year or two. So you'll have to be very cautious before you plan your career. The lastly, I want to emphasize that knowing your value in terms of your skill set, availability in the job market, and also the future trends, please carve a niche for yourself and also take a help of the leading career website such as Glassdoor, Indeed, LinkedIn, and check the value and the demand for the career which you are planning for, and also consider your current job situation and your target career path and how you can plan. If your current career path and the target career path is different, then you need to analyze what knowledge and skill you have and what knowledge and skill the future career path required, and based on that you'll have to plan for acquiring more knowledge and the skill within the target career path, and also try to network and connect with the people, create a niche for yourself, and ensure that you'll be able to land in your desired job and progress in your target career path. Thank you very much for watching my video. And if you want me to cover any topic, please mention that in the comment. Additionally, if you want to order my book, this is Business Analysis, the question and answer book. This book is well received and appreciated by the BA community. This book is available on Amazon for 1000 rupees. But we have few copies to give away. We will only charge the courier charges, that is 300 rupees if you are living in India. If you are living abroad, then that will be on an actual. So just fill up the form and let us know. We will courier the book for you. Thank you very much.